Hi everybody,
Hi,
I'm Nate,
I'm Leigh.
and we're playing Chibi-Robo.
Wow,
Yeah.
what a great game.
Yeah, I love this game.
Me too, even though I've never beaten it. But I've gotten far enough to say that I love this game.
This is like maybe my favorite game of all time.
Yeah.
I love this game so dearly.
It's just like, oh my god, just look at it. It's
Yeah,
so cute, and like the gameplay matches the
It's
aesthetic.
perfect. It's a perfect game.
Mm-hmm.
I love Jenny. You know?
Aw, Jenny.
God, that's like face of pure despair.
She doesn't want anything that's not a frog.
You know, Jenny's 8 years old. It's her birthday. All she does is rivet. So if you don't really know anything about this game, it was made by a company called Skip. I'm trying to think of what else they made.
Skip? Oh shit. What did they make?
They made all those really cool like Game Boy Advance games.
Oh yeah,
like
was it Bit Generations?
Yes.
Yeah.
They made those, and I think they made Tulip.
Oh, was that them?
It wasn't them, but it was
Oh,
a company
yeah.
that eventually split up, and most of their people
And
made.
went to Skip. Yeah. That makes sense.
Tulip, if you don't know, is a game where the goal of the game is to kiss everyone.
Everyone.
You have to kiss every NPC in the game,
Mhm.
and some of them are very hard to kiss.
It's very challenging.
It's honestly really hard.
Yeah, I haven't gotten very far in it. I need to try it again someday.
I think some people from the group that made Chibi-Robo. Did some of the people that worked on Tulip also go on to make Little King Story? No, yeah, because Kimura.
That's right. Yes.
Yes.
Wow.
Did he work on this?
I don't know.
I don't know. We'll have to look that up.
I mean, it wouldn't surprise me if he did, though. All these games seem to have like the same kind of vibe to
like,
them.
Little King Story is a game that I've also done an LP of with
Oh.
my old LP group, but watch it sometime.
It's Telly,
I love Telly.
our good friend Television.
I love Telly.
Me too.
One of my favorite things about this game is how really just great all of the like babble. Every character's babble sounds for when they talk is just really good.
I forgot what Dad's gibberish was.
So that dog bark doesn't sound anything like a real bark. It's great.
What's Dad got for us?
Oh man.
Who's got the champagne?
Check out how it's just like got this constant stream of fizz.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Yum. I'll drink it.
Alright, give this a listen. Just listen to this.
Walking down the fashion runway.
Really good.
Looking cool. It's Chibi-Robo.
I love Chibi-Robo.
Oh,
And so that's us.
yeah. She can't believe it. Oh, I forgot that Telly talks to the humans.
Yeah, he's your manager.
Yeah.
In the later Chibi-Robo games, he like treats you as his boss, like he's your secretary or something. But in the translation of this game, he basically acts more like your manager.
That's really cute.
I like that more
Yeah.
because like he calls you sir in the later games, and I don't like it. So we gotta find a present for Jenny.
Oh, and fast. Where? Ready?
I like how his head just turned all the way around. There.
Yeah. Aw.
It's a flower.
But
little charmer.
it's already there.
But yeah, any dialogue in this game is chosen with little yes and no things that pop out of your head.
Yeah, that's the only way that Chibi talks.
Yep. So the actual movement of this game is pretty simple. When you walk up against something, that's how you climb. You just push against it and you interact with it usually.
And then when
There we go.
that happens, you press the button and you interact with
Exactly.
the thing. Hot! Diggity! I forgot about that!
That's awesome.
That's
Yeah. He's having
awesome!
a great time.
And Dad's loving it. Mom isn't too keen on Chibi-Robo.
Yeah, she's not having a good time. God, I love Telly's babble because he's just going. It's like someone running their finger on their lips.
What if we just do the rest of the LP?
Yeah. Reading dialogue is a no-no, but going. It's fine. That's fine.
I had to read Hot Diggity Dog.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, Hot Diggity Dog deserves to be repeated.
Yeah.
Aww, he's looking out for us.
Telly is a mom. Total mom. And look at him go in the background there.
Just wiggling the whole time. He's just going for it.
Give the rose to Jenny. Aww.
The sound design of this game is also absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, we'll have to like shut up for a bit to like so you can hear some of it.
Yeah.
So there are 2 currencies in this game.
Uh-huh.
Happy points and moolah.
Wow.
Actually, if you read what Telly's saying right now, it'll just explain it all to you, so I don't have to.
Yeah. But also, you get them both as you go, and they're both useful in different ways.
Yeah. I love the way that Japanese birthday cakes look, because they just put like all these little cute things on them.
Oh yeah. How come ours aren't like that?
I mean, they are, but ours just have like cars on them.
Congratulations. You done it.
Like, you can go to the store and say, hey, put a Disney's car on my cake. Or
I don't like it.
Put, what else is popular these days?
Also, apparently, like, this, like, 8-year-old's birthday party was turned up because, like, it says they party, like, until, like, into the night.
Yeah. I like that he says you looked a bit nervous, but Chibi-Robo never changes his expression.
Yeah. Actually, he does.
Does he?
Yeah, he totally has expression. Like, he can, like, do stuff with his eyes.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
Like, there are more than one points in this game where Chibi-Robo just gives you this disapproving glare. Where he just kind of, like, squints his eyes, like... You can't see that at home, but I'm squinting my eyes disapprovingly.
Man, look at how, like, high your ranking is. You're doing
Number
really
1
good.
million. No, that's opposite. It's bad. You want to be number 1.
Oh. Oh.
What? Yeah. No. No saving.
Wait, what?
No saving.
Why not?
Because we don't need to save yet.
Okay. Be careful out there.
I do. If I save during a video, what happens if something messes up in the recording? And then I'm saved in the middle of the video and I can't go back and... See?
That's a good point.
Yeah.
Little insider tip for you there.
Listen to that snore.
Oh.
It's like...
Doesn't he do it if you get up close to him, too?
Might,
like, in the
sure.
world? I can't remember.
Probably does.
It's been a while since I've been here.
So the way this game works is there's sun and... There's, you know, day and night cycles. It's nighttime. And the 5 means that we have 5 minutes before it cycles back to daytime.
And there's no, like, limit on, like, there's the time limit, but, like, you can, like, play the whole game without making any progress just by messing around every day. There's no, like, hurry to do
there's no, like,
anything.
Pikmin style, like, you're gonna run out of time.
Yeah.
It's just a way of cycling what's happening.
So, what's going on here?
This is a toy that's
Oh, yeah,
talking.
she's the dog's chew toy.
She's a dog toy, yeah. But she's got a diary. She's, like, writing with one of her feelers.
Oh, yeah, and she's in love. With Drake.
Weird. Yeah, he's pretty good. His music's alright.
Yeah.
I liked him on Degrassi.
God damn it. I was, like, trying not to do that, and then you did it, so thanks.
That was the joke I was going for the whole time. Like, was it not you? What you were doing?
No, I was just talking about Drake.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I was too. So there's talking toys.
Yeah, what's the deal with that? Toy Story.
I'm Sophie.
I'm Nate Leigh. I was about to say I'm Nate.
I'm Nate.
Oh, no, you're Sophie.
I'm Nate.
You just said you're Sophie.
I didn't say that. I said she's Sophie. I said, it's Sophie. Or something.
I don't know.
Man. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he says he's the manager.
Yeah. That's kind of weird, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit. Whoa, the book just went through Telly.
Yeah. Oh man, I love Telly's like bugged out eyes thing.
Mm-hmm.
Well, she's gonna be doing that for a while, so.
Oh, okay. All night.
Yeah. The only thing I don't like is that the music stops entirely when you go to the map. It just stops.
Yeah.
It always makes me think something's wrong, like the game's crashed or something.
Yeah, I mean, because, like, in a game where time passes automatically, like, being able to stop and listen to the music, like, without letting time pass would be a good thing, but they don't let you do it.
Check out all these, like, shitty Drake Redcrest books that we were climbing on.
Oh, yeah.
I went to, like, fucking junior reader garbage.
So you're picking up trash.
Yeah, I'm having fun with the camera while I do it.
Picking up trash like a good robot.
Yeah. Trash cleaning is like one of the main components of the like just stuff in this game.
Mm-hmm.
It might kind of come off as busy work, but it doesn't really feel like it.
Yeah, you like kind of actually want to pick up as you go.
Yeah. And there's a lot of ways to clean up. Your job is to clean up. Also, that, like error. Yeah. I love that sound.
I never heard that before.
Whenever you try to fix something that isn't there, it makes that sound. Also, those aren't fizzing anymore.
Oh,
Isn't that a great
wow.
touch?
That is really cool.
Yeah.
Cookie box.
Gotta throw those away.
I like how Telly, like, gives you tips on your job.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
So we have a battery meter, and doing stuff drains it.
Mm-hmm.
It drains faster when you're using stuff like your copter or that kind of thing.
Or running.
Mm-hmm. But, well, it's kind of based on your movement, so you're moving faster, but you're draining faster, so all evens out to be about the same.
Well, yeah, if you want to be technical about it.
I do. Still not saving.
Oh my god!
You're probably not going to see me save very often, I'm sorry.
This is driving me nuts. I like save every time.
Well, I can't save because otherwise, like, what happens if something messes up in the video?
Yes, you've explained this.
Exactly. It's good Let's Play practices.
See, I'm new to the Let's Play world, so I suck.
It's okay. No, you don't. Hey, look at
Hey, that's
a
a
gross looking
frog. Frog ring.
that. Weird.
Do you think that the mouth area like is hollow so you can stick your finger in it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Also because it saves money on plastic.
Yeah. So practical.
I know all about, like, cheap toy making practices.
Wow, why are you doing LP?
I don't know. It's just because I bought a lot of garbage. Oh man. If that's not the grossest thing I've ever seen.
What?
Not the cookie crumbles, look what's on the ground there.
Ew.
It's his toothbrush.
Well, he had to brush his teeth before he fell asleep.
But he just fell asleep with his toothbrush in his hand?
Yeah. He partied too hard, but at least he
Partied
practiced...
too hard with his toothbrush.
He practiced good dental hygiene
This is
while
vile.
partying hard. Well, you know what's even viler? Using it to clean the house.
Good point.
Like,
Can't argue with that. That's exactly what we're gonna do, though.
yeah.
Hope he doesn't want it back.
Ugh, I never thought about that before. Like, what if he still uses
He
it?
doesn't. They specifically say, like, well, I hope he doesn't want it back. So.
Okay, okay.
But also, it makes a nice little guitar sound when you scrub it. Ah. You'll hear it a little more in a second here, because I'm about to do some cleaning. Isn't that great?
Love it. Whoa. That's freaky.
Yeah.
better clean up on the way over.
Yeah,
To
I mean,
the...
hey, I'm just doing my job.
Whoa.
So this is my favorite character in the entire game.
Oh man, he's cool looking.
I'm just letting him do his thing. There's a vocal version of his theme song that comes up later in the game, and it's fucking terrible.
I bet.
Because it's like one of those really bad, like, written in Japanese ones, but tries to get changed to English and doesn't fit at all.
Oh man.
The Japanese version rules. I think. I can't remember. It's been a while since I heard it, but I remember it being, like, great.
Well, we'll hear it eventually.
You'll hear the English version. It's hot garbage. Anyway, this is Drake Redcrest.
Oh, Billy Hatcher.
Huh?
It's Billy Hatcher.
No, it's not. He already knows this.
How does he know this? Good tip.
I follow the Space Hunter code.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, Drake kind of knows what's going on at all times. At least he thinks he does. I love him because, like, every time he comes up, he's got some, like, obsession with justice or, like, his internal struggle between good and evil. Even when you see him in Ziplash, which is the game that just came out, it's like a cute little grappling hook platformer I've been playing. Drake's in that. It's like an updated version of the Drake Redcrest toy. And even there, he's having his weird crisis. Also, he just got an outfit.
Oh, cool.
Big thing in this game is outfits.
Yeah, you can dress up your Chibi-Robo.
There's a ton of outfits in this game, and they all do stuff. So, let's pop that on.
Yeah. See how it
First
looks.
First gotta recharge.
Ah. Yeah, you're running low.
And I'll explain why we're recharging so soon, once I put the suit on. Also, in this game, Chibi-Robo actually grabs the... Aww.
Oh no!
He actually grabs the plug to pull it out of this game, but in Ziplash he just grabs the cord and yanks it out, and you shouldn't do that.
Yeah, that's improper handling of your cord.
Seriously. Isn't this outfit adorable?
Yeah, it's super cute.
All the outfits are super precious. I'm going to apologize in advance. There's an outfit later in the game where you kind of have a choice between a bunch. I've already made that choice.
Okay.
But I don't think you'll disagree with my decision.
Alright.
That's a long way away.
Oh, what's happening?
He's gonna... Yeah. Also, your footsteps have different sound on carpet or hard floor. And I love that. You got some hard work to do.
What is it?
True justice cannot exist without a pose.
Well?
Telly's here.
How's he know?
He just...
Justice 101, knowing television.
I love how he's spinning both in, like, the actual game and in his dialogue. So. This is a really good theme.
Yeah.
We got it. We can do this. What?
Oh. Aww.
Timing on this is actually kind of hard. Yeah!
Yeah! Whoa! Telly's so impressed.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Ugh! Telly!
Oh
littering.
no, Telly!
Anytime he does those poppers, it litters and you can pick them up. So if you like what you just saw, that's basically this entire game.
Yeah.
This game is just that kind of thing non-stop.
Yep.
It's wonderful.
Do a cute thing with somebody and they give you points.
Yep. And now you can just do that pose at any time when you have the
suit on.
Yeah. And characters all react to it too.
Yeah.
So let's pick this garbage up.
Popper trash. Yeah, Telly.
Yeah, Telly.
Jeez.
Jesus. Let's do a little more cleaning.
I love that noise.
I'm just gonna listen to this. Isn't that great?
Mm-hmm. I love that noise so much. I think it's my favorite noise in the game.
Yeah, me too.
Oh.
Ah, Drake. Also, when you turn the camera, like... Drake, please!
Drake! You're not supposed to be here.
Wasn't that great?
Also, if you haven't noticed, the brush is also Drake.
Yeah! Pretty much everything the dad owns is Drake Redcrest themed, because he's a total man-child.
Mm-hmm.
But, whenever you do cleaning, stuff like that, after a while you'll get a bonus. Because you made Mom happy.
Yeah, it's a good way to earn points.
Yeah. We're gonna climb up here. You can pull these little drawers out. I think we did it a little bit earlier, but I didn't comment on it.
Yeah.
You can, like, pull these out and use them as stairs. I think that's adorable.
Everything about this game is adorable.
It's really cute.
Oh yeah, it makes a different noise when you're up on a high ledge.
Does it?
Yeah, this is a different noise than on the floor.
Hold up. I might not have never noticed that.
Oh.
It does.
Yeah.
That's really cute.
Yeah.
I've been playing this game for about, like... This game's at least 10 years old, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, it's more than that.
It's at least 10, yeah. And I never noticed that. Or at least never thought about it.
Mm-hmm.
That's cute. Yeah, let's just throw all this trash away at once. Got a lot of money from that.
Yeah. It pays to do your job.
It does. Turns out that's kind of the idea of having a job.
Wow. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Where are you going?
What? What's wrong?
This is no time for trash.
What are you talking about? What's the problem?
You're...
Come on, stop the Sophie.
Oh my god. You're gonna drive me nuts.
Alright, we're still wearing the costume.
Oh.
Yeah, no, it's not me. Sorry.
I think when...
She gets mad if you say yes. She's like,
Yeah.
stop messing with me.
I think I did that when I did
great.
my playthrough of this game.
She's like, ah, yes, it's me. Can't do the pose right now, because we're so low on energy. Takes forever. Yes, it's me. Sophie's got a problem.
Mm-hmm.
Also, like, we have a ton of battery power.
Yeah, but...
Comparatively. It starts blinking really early when you're this low.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a good point. Are you going to save?
Nope. Have you ever seen that one before?
No.
He just does this little stagger.
You even get a little explosion.
Yeah. when Drake does it in Ziplash, it's just straight up a mushroom cloud behind him.
Mm-hmm.
It's awful.
Oh no!
That was lame. She's doing her best. Now she's gone.
Oh. Is that access to a new area?
Mm-hmm. Sure is. Yeah, what's her deal?
She's in love. Don't make fun of her. Whoa, that's a couple of your energy.
Let's do a little more cleaning. Let's go up here.
I trust you. I know what you're doing.
Oh, just kidding. We're done for the night.
Oh, I wasn't even looking at the timer.
Good first day, even if we can't see Chibi-Robo right now.
Yeah.
Just you get to see what the like Chibi-Robo's behind the camera thing looks like. It's like a cute little sketch thing.
Mhm. Yeah, that's really cute. I never like seen it for so long.
Yeah.
Oh, look at him. He was dancing.
The little like dancing thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Isn't that great? Let's see what rank we are now.
Oh man.
There's like shivery letters. Wow.
Whoa, dang.
Think about how many Chibi-Robos just get ordered and maybe never turned on.
Yeah.
That's so sad! But also, this implies that there's a million Chibi-Robos. But yeah, also, the higher your rank gets, the higher your battery gets. Nice, have more happy points.
What happens?
You can see a little something on his... if you look really carefully, you can see that he's not wearing his normal outfit. He's wearing the Super Chibi-Robo outfit, which you get when you become number 1.
Oh.
Go safe. Jeez, Telly.
I like it.
Yeah.
This is the Chibi house.
Yeah. But we're not staying in here right now. There's not much to do here yet.
It's the house.
So here's the thing we're going to do. I didn't get to show it off earlier, but this is what happens if you run out of battery. It kind of takes a little bit of work, actually. You kind of have to really be trying to do it early on.
Oh,
You just gotta flop over, and then sad music plays.
And like there are skulls in your battery.
But even that music's kind of fun, in it being said.
Yeah.
And then you're back at the Chibi house.
Oh no, Telly!
Have you never seen this?
I've seen this, I just forgot how sad it is. He's so sad. Oh no!
And you get a new outfit. But then this will stay like this as long as you don't hit a button. And then, whoop, we're back. Hello.
Oh no!
Yep, so you gotta keep your battery up.
Mm-hmm.
But we did this because it got us an extra outfit.
Yeah, that's right. That's me.
Trauma suit.
Trauma suit, Jesus.
Right? And you lose a little bit of money. But not much.
So why doesn't Telly need to charge?
I think it's just kind of obvious.
Is it?
I mean, you carry a plug around on your head. There's outlets everywhere, and you have a battery at the bottom right. I feel like that kind of just tells you that enough, doesn't it? Does that, like, wait.
What?
Are you asking, like, why it only tells you how to charge once you die?
No. I was asking why Telly doesn't have to charge.
Oh, okay, I misunderstood.
He's a
Hang on,
robot
let's
too, right?
clean up his tears.
Oh no!
So, that's silly. Want to see what happens when you pose in this outfit?
Yeah. Oh.
And if you leave it like this for very long, it plays the game like that. It plays the dead music again, and Telly thinks you're dead, and it lets you go back to the tree house instantly. You lose a little bit of money for it. But also, you get another new costume!
I forgot about this one. That's a really good...
And he realizes you were just messing with him.
Wow.
Still nothing. You got like 3 happy points in that time. Just from cleaning up his tears. No! Not saving. Clean up more tears.
Milk those tear points.
Don't see the pose?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, isn't that great? Anyway, we'll see y'all next time.
Yeah, that was a good ending.
Yeah, see ya.